Imagine a universe of infinite recurrence. This is the heart of Nietzsche's eternal return. A thought experiment, a challenge. Could you embrace every decision, every joy, every sorrow, knowing they would repeat endlessly throughout time? Nietzsche presented this idea not as a proven truth, rather he offered it as a test of our values, a lens through which to examine our lives. If faced with the prospect of endless repetition, would we change our choices? Or would we find affirmation in the life we've lived? This concept is both terrifying and exhilarating. Terrifying because it strips us of the comfort of finality. Exhilarating because it suggests a universe teeming with possibilities, yet forever bound to its own intricate patterns. If every moment repeats infinitely, then every action, every word carries immense weight. There is no escaping the consequences. No act is truly insignificant. Think of a stone dropped in a still pond. The ripples expand, reaching every corner of the pond. This is the echo of our actions in the universe of eternal return. But this idea also offers a profound sense of interconnection. If every moment recurs, then past, present and future are inextricably linked. We are part of a grand repeating symphony, each note echoing through eternity. The emotional implications of eternal return are staggering. Imagine the deepest joy you've ever experienced, repeating infinitely. Now imagine your greatest regret playing out again and again. Would this knowledge paralyze us with fear, or would it free us to embrace every fleeting moment with a newfound intensity? The eternal return challenges us to find meaning in a universe without a clear beginning or end. It asks us to create our own purpose, knowing that our choices will reverberate through the eons. The idea of cyclical time is not unique to Nietzsche. Eastern philosophies, particularly Hinduism, have long explored the concept of reincarnation. The continuous cycle of birth, death, and rebirth echoes the core principle of eternal return. In these traditions, life is not seen as a linear progression. It is a spiral, constantly evolving yet eternally recurring. This cyclical view offers a different perspective on regret and joy. Instead of being trapped by the past, we're invited to learn from it. Each cycle offers an opportunity for growth, for liberation.